Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video. I put the order in for this before my bead freeze, my bead spending freeze, and the sale didn't end until way after my bead spending freeze started, so that it doesn't apply to my bead freeze. You like how we work around these rules? This is from Tracy's Destash on Facebook. She sent me some goodies, so let's see what the goodies are. We've got some little elephants. Cute, cute, cute. We've got them in two tones, so silver and brass with a patina. She sent me some Kazuri beads, so I'm hoping I'm saying that right. I don't have any of these. I'm going to need to research this a little bit. I think they're handmade. They are handmade ceramic, but I think they're made in Africa, but I don't know. So please correct me if I'm wrong. These are gorgeous. I love that muted pink. She sent me some recycled African glass. So I'm going to go into my African glass bead soup. Although, okay, it says African. Sometimes I rarely see African glass that has like the almost table cut feel to the middle. Sometimes you'll see that in Java glass, but this is African glass for real. She says it's African glass, I believe her, but I just haven't seen a lot like that. Java sometimes does that. Oh, I bought these. These are some really cool shells. Oh no, one's broken. I hate it when that happens. I can't even tell which. Oh, it was this one for sure. Let's see. Yeah, poor baby didn't make it. She did package it very well, but sometimes things happen. All right, so how do we? They're not really beads. They're just shells, but that's okay. I can use a jump ring. I can wire wrap it. I have 4. They're cool, and if I can figure out, I'm not going to glue this together, but I don't know, maybe I can do something with that, maybe mixed media or something. But those are pretty cool. I don't have, I'm going to say I don't have shells like this, but I might have something similar. She sent me these. They're more Kazuri beads, and gosh, can you imagine a more beautiful color? These are mint with some gold. Oh, I love this one. They're so beautiful. These are going to go on a bracelet for sure, and I think I'll do a separate bracelet with these Kazuri beads because I think they're just gorgeous. I hope I'm saying that right too. We have some quartz points, and they're not beads. I wanted some stuff to wire wrap. So a little baggie of quartz points. Very nice. Fun to play with. They're only $2. And then these are actually more interesting than when I thought they were. They are very cool. They're Millefiori glass, but they're like almost like that dog bone shape that I like, but they're not. They're square. So I think they're pretty cool. You could wrap something around them, like some cord or something. I love them. And then these colors are so wonderful. Orange and red and yellow. After I started my freeze, I forgot that I had bought these, and she just started putting up all these amazing beads, and I was dying. I eventually had to just stop looking. I got these, great price, $3 for some African brass. And this is a long strand too. Isn't that gorgeous? They're little tiny tube beads. I love them. And they're like a rose gold color. Well, this might be copper. Sometimes they can treat the brass to look like rose gold, but this is probably copper now that I'm thinking. I don't know why I said it. Brass. Some evil eyes, little connectors. Very lightweight. So fun. I love those. a little shell donut. Actually got several shell donuts. This one's just really plain, just like a peachy brown, pinky brown I should say, but I like the stripes in that one. And then I got 3 patterned ones. This one, they're very thin but they're pretty sturdy. Orange, teal, but mostly orange. And then I got this one that's like teal and blue and yellow and red. Really fun. And then my favorite out of the 3 is this one. I think that is going to be so beautiful. I'm thinking lariat and maybe thin, be a small thin beaded chain. I'm not sure. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Love how vibrant that blue is. I don't remember buying these, but they're cute. They're little silver cats. Aren't they just so silly? I love them. That is so funny to me. And then a sunstone little pendant. I really liked. Sometimes these can look kind of cheap, but I really like the top here, and I might age that a little bit with either patina or something paint. And then beautiful sunstone. That could go on a bracelet. And then last but not least, some kyanite chips. They're not chips, they're like shards. And there aren't any holes, although I could drill them. I'm probably going to wire wrap these. Isn't that fun? Into some earrings or something. Who knows? Who knows what I'll come up with next. My favorites were actually... Well, my favorites were these mint kazuri beads, the Millefiori, this pendant, and the copper beads. So I'm super excited. Can't wait to start using some of these. Let me know what your favorite was and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super duper cute. Bye-bye.